Okay, I'm just going to do another quick video on qualifying the trades here. We got two signals. It's 7 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, 1900. We're in the Asian session. Here we can look, we got a buy signal on the Aussie dollar. The strength is minus 0.1, so there's no trade on that. And here we got another one, which is the buy signal on the New Zealand USD, which has a strength of 3.7. So we're going to look further into that one and pull up the New Zealand dollar. And as you can see, the EA has already taken the trade. Placed the buy stop right away as soon as we got this. And let's just pull it up here a little bit further. But what we can see is we are going against the 10 moving average. So this could, you might not want to take this one just because we're coming up into the 10 moving average. I haven't really gone over filtering and using this moving average yet, but I am going to keep a good eye on it and see what the trades are like. But I would have stayed in this one regardless. Next, what we're going to do here is go over to Forex calendar, just kind of see where, if anything, is going to be coming out. As you can see, we got nothing here. I've already checked, and this should be something you do on a regular basis anyways. Maybe as soon as you just stop or sit down at your computer, just have a quick look and see if there's any high impact. There isn't anyways. I have already checked this earlier today, and I knew there's not going to be any high impact news until tomorrow morning at 5:30 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. So the CAD should move a little bit, and we'll see about that in the morning. Another reason I want to stay in a buy trade for the New Zealand dollar is when I'm looking over at the DXY, which is the US dollar currency index. I've posted this in the room here, in the Telegram room, and this is just my outlook on it. As you can see, we've got a high right here. We're coming up to make a double top here. We might come up further into this area. And this is just my interpretation of where we might have a turning point and come back down. We've had a good week. As you can see, the beginning of the week, we had higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and they're strong. Look at the price action is staying towards the top of the candles here, with not a lot of sellers coming in. So we're coming in higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. But look, we got a bit of a bigger wick here on the daily, and we've just started the new day now, and as you can see over in the 1 hour we had pressure coming down to the downside, which is this wick right here. Now we've got a little bit of pressure coming up. We're stepping up. Had buyers coming in sideways, buyers sideways. It's just a slow step movement up, and since we're at the end of the week, I'm anticipating a move to the downside. Either that or just maybe chopping around. We might just hover and chop around up here, or we could just take off and close high for the end of the week. But for me, what I would like to see is getting the retracement. We did see on the hour here we were in an oversold area, pressing up and slow steps up, and we just increasing here, and we're getting up into this area as well for turning over. So could see a nice move to the downside. If we do, then we might get a nice move in the New Zealand dollar. Now I might get chopped out of this and might come down and just come rallying right back down and we shoot up in the DXY. But from what I like to see is I like to stay in this trade. And anyways, that's the way I'm looking at it and viewing it. It meets the criterias. We've got a higher high, higher low, good, nice, strong bar up. Not too strong. It's not an explosive move, so we can take this trade. So the EA took the trade. I'll see how it plays out. We are going into the moving average here, but I haven't done much analysis into that yet, so we'll see. We might have a pullback and then a continuation back up into this area, and hopefully break up into this, maybe test this, come through, and then break up and come up. But we'll see how the overnight session plays out. That's my interpretation and qualifying the trade and wanting to stay in this trade. Okay, we'll talk to you later.